Hey you guys, so I'm on the highway and my husband is driving like a psycho from hell.
Oh, we also.
We're closer to him, right?
Not really.
Okay.
Not because it's gonna take us 30 minutes to get there.
We're on our way to my old place. Gotta go get the rest of our stuff. I also wanted to do a before and after shot of my old kitchen versus, y'all, I'm on the highway, so this thing gonna keep jumping up and down. The old kitchen versus the new kitchen, so y'all can see the upgrade. And yeah, so I'll catch y'all when we get there. Alright, y'all, I'm finally here. My husband. We lived in hell in here. Hell. We couldn't wait to get the hell on. That's the entrance. It's a decent apartment, but we hated it. Alright, y'all, so this is my old kitchen. This is where I was tearing stuff up at. I had to work with what I had and make it work. This just like, you know, I tell people you just gotta work with what you got. You don't need expensive things. Look at all those amazing videos I had. And this is all I got. This is all I had. So with the proper lighting and decent cameras, you could do pretty much anything. This is the fridge. This apartment was $1,400, I think. $1,400. We downgraded because we knew we wanted something better. And now we have something better. Alright, you guys, so this is my new kitchen right here. That's my light that I used to record with, just to give me extra lightage in the kitchen until we get it all the way together. We've only been here a few weeks, so you know, we're still working on things, but it's obviously a big, huge, different change. More space, more counter space, and you know, y'all, look at this obnoxious refrigerator. I didn't think it would look like that once it, you know, got in the house, but I can't. It just looks so obnoxious. This is the rest of the counter space, as well as the sink, of course, and the dishwasher. And I have an island, which is perfect for recording my videos. Those are my vitamins, of course, hand sanitizer, and just a couple appliances and things I have laying around on the countertop. Considering I'm not going to be using this backside as much, so I just put like this is a sanitation station. When I come home, I wipe my cell phone down and things like that. That's my soap dispenser that my husband got me. So I decided to turn this little section of the kitchen, because this is also part of the kitchen. The kitchen is huge, you guys. And of course the dining table is right there, which we don't use that much at all because we're always working. Like I said, that's my waist trainer and my weight ropes. And this is my coaster, ab coaster, and our bike. So that's pretty much where I do my little exercise at or whatever. So alright, you guys, so this is where I keep my knives, and my stove is a gas stove, of course. I love it so much. I couldn't wait to start using gas stoves again. You know, being from Jamaica, that's all we use is gas stoves. So this is the air fryer. I love it. Y'all should cop it. I did a video on this actually, and it's pretty good. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm gonna be making my husband some oatmeal for breakfast this morning. So I just followed the directions on the package, and I added some vanilla to it, some nutmeg and cinnamon. So to top it off, I'm adding some white chocolate sauce and some raspberries just to make it cute. And that's pretty much it. You don't have to use the white chocolate sauce. You can sweeten it however you want, but the only sweetener I have in here is the white chocolate sauce. So just to give it some extra flavor, and you know, that's what he wanted today, so that's what I made today. And I just walk in, put it down, walk out, and go about my business. Alright, so now we fast forward all the way to 5 o'clock. Here I am prepping dinner. These are some salmon chunks that I cut into chunks, and I added some sesame oil. Again, you guys, I haven't done my huge grocery shopping yet. Since I moved here, we've been so busy, so I haven't even done it yet. So I'm using what I had from the last house. So I added some sesame oil, some seasoning. You can season it however you want, but make sure you use a nice spicy seasoning. This is what I'm going to use to make the dressing for the salmon wraps. So I have Dijon mustard, red wine vinegar, honey, salt, and pepper, and that's it. And y'all, it's so good. It's so simple, but it's so good. So to my air fryer, of course, y'all know I was going to use the air fryer. I'm going to add it down in here and cook it. And, you know, then it's done. That's it. I know it has 10 minutes on here, but I actually did 8 minutes. It was done in 8 minutes. Don't go to 10 minutes because they're cut up. It goes faster. If it was like fillets, I would do like 10 to 12 minutes. So this is the toppings. That's the lettuce. So I'm just going to fill it up and top it with the dressing. And that's it, y'all. That's dinner. And it's a wrap for me for the day. If he wants anything else, he could go in the fridge, get some fruit or some ice cream or whatever he wants. But that's it for moi. Bye, y'all. So in the mornings, I come in my office when I wake up. It's about 7 a.m. right now. Excuse my morning voice, and you're about to see my morning face, but that's all right. It'll be all right. This is my desk right here. It's kind of a mess a little bit, but my Bible, which I read every morning when I can anyway. This right here is my notepad that I got from therapy, so I have to use that to write how I feel every morning. So yeah, today's the first morning I have to use it. I love it. Come on, computer. Y'all, I don't have no patience with technology. Technology is a mess. Of course, it's Miss Nicki Minaj, period. Anyway, let me chat with y'all for a little bit. Alright, so good morning. I don't have no lip gloss. I don't have nothing. You know what? I can't be all dry in front of y'all. I don't need y'all judging me already. Let me not be dry. Actually, my favorite lip gloss is Infallible. Infallible 8 Hour Pro Gloss in color 315 Rebel Red. It's my favorite one. If anyone cares, it's drugstore lip gloss. You know, I'm not rich, so. From my previous videos, I had to, you know, get myself some help for dealing with a loss. So now every morning when I wake up, I have to write exactly how I feel. I feel like I'm in school again, but whatever. So today is the first day, and obviously I'm in a good mood. Y'all, do you see how I'm like refreshed in the morning? I don't know what's tea. I don't know what's going on. I woke up at 6:45, brushed my teeth, washed my face, but I, you know, and yeah, now I'm in my office. But I don't know. I just been looking. I do wake up most mornings before my husband does, because you know he works all day, so he gets up like maybe 8 a.m., 8:30, and then he works all day. And so, plus you know, ever since I turned a granny 30, I don't know, I wake up mad early, y'all. I wake up mad early. I don't wake up 10 and 12 and 1 unless I don't feel good or something like that. But yeah, so the first day we're gonna write it together. I'm gonna write it with y'all how I'm feeling today. What's today's date? So today's date, because you know I told you I was gonna take y'all on this little journey with me. So today, I'm gonna say today is February 8th, 2021. Mood, happy. And the time of this is 7. Let me see. 7:10 a.m. Alright, so there it is. Oh, there it is. So each day I have to write it, and then until I go back. I wake up 7 and then I wait for him to get up so I can make the breakfast. Which today I'm making some oatmeal for breakfast with some white chocolate sauce and raspberries. It's pretty simple and easy. Wait till y'all see it. It's literally nothing, but it tastes good. Y'all, I haven't seen my homegirl in so long. She always working. Diamond. So I want y'all to comment below. Diamond, pay Misha some mind. That's what y'all need to. I wish she had a YouTube channel, because I sure would be blowing her up. I want y'all to say, Diamond, pay Misha attention, period. Anyway, y'all, I got my water too. Make sure you drink water every day. Your water should be the first thing you drink every day. Okay, drink your water, girl. Clear skin. You see my skin. Period. All right, let's go make breakfast.